Wow, crazy stuff going on today. The whole crypto market taking a beating. Is there more pain to come? Well, let's check it out. All right, so here you can see the whole crypto market down 6.83%. So pretty big dip here. And going into the charts, we were talking about Terra Classic yesterday, and I said we had come down to this previous low, and we may see support there, may see a bounce. However, as you can see, Bitcoin had a huge dump here, brought down the whole market. So Terra Classic dipping down with the whole market. Actually not dipping too badly, but yeah, we did break a new low here, formed a new low. So below that support now. So we may finally head down to this level I've been talking about for months, down at 10. And if we zoom out, you can see it, this major support area we have at 10, that all throughout these months I said we may eventually even come down to 10. Looks like that's likely to happen now. So probably not what you guys want to hear, but you can think of it this way. If you missed out on buying back here last summer when we were down at these prices, well, you may have the opportunity to get in at those prices again. Now, are we going to have another huge pump like this? Nobody knows for sure, but I think at some point eventually there will be another pump. So if you are a long-term believer in Terra Classic, then down at 10 would be a great time to accumulate more. And I mean, this is going to take patience. We may not see another pump for months, maybe not till next year, who knows. So I wouldn't expect a huge pump next week, next month. It may take some time. So the patient are always rewarded the most when it comes to crypto. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, here in the short term, likely to come down to around the 10 level where we have that major support. And yeah, crazy stuff going on in the whole market. So let's head over to Bitcoin, see what's going on. So yesterday I was talking about how we were in this ascending channel and we had just broken down from it. And I said we did, however, have horizontal support at this level. So we may see a bounce there and come back up. But I warned if we did break this horizontal support, then we would most likely dump all the way down to 19,000. And we did break that support, and that's exactly what happened. Dumped all the way down here. So what's going to happen next? Well, we didn't quite hit 19,000, but it looks like we're already seeing a bounce here. We may just see a temporary bounce and then hit 19,000. We'll see. But I wouldn't expect it to go any lower than 19,000. We have major support there, and I think we will definitely see a bounce at 19,000. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, kind of funny because yesterday I talked about how I was planning on buying more crypto. So I did buy a bunch of Ethereum yesterday, and right after I bought it, we saw this huge dump. So if I would have waited, I could have got a little better price, but not that big of a deal. That's how it goes when you're dollar cost averaging. You don't always hit the bottoms perfectly. Now, back here in January, I happened to buy Bitcoin down here in the 16,000s, and then a few days later we saw this huge pump. So that time it worked out perfectly. This time didn't time the bottom of this dip perfectly, but no big deal. If we do come all the way down to 19,000, then I'll buy more at 19,000, more crypto, because I think very likely to see a bounce there. And if we do break below that and go even lower, I'll just keep dollar cost averaging more. But yeah, I seriously doubt we're gonna go below 19,000, maybe a little wick, but I think we'll definitely see a bounce there. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, for the short term, I think most likely gonna see a bounce around 19,000 and continue this uptrend. If you look at the Fibonacci levels here, you can see that the 61.8 is right above 19,000. That's the most common retracement level. So good chance we'll see a bounce there. Not only do we have that Fibonacci level there, but we also have, let me get this out of here. We also have this major support at 19,000. If we zoom out, you can see we've had this for months and months and months. So we have confluence there. So short term, I think likely to come down to 19,000 and most likely see a bounce there. We'll see what happens. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think this bear market is not over yet? Do you think we're heading down? Do you still think we're heading down to 10K? Or do you agree with me that you think we are going into an uptrend into the bull market? Let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.